In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify store with Leadpages in just a few minutes. This setup helps you automatically pass leads or actions from Leadpages directly into Shopify, saving time and reducing manual work. To get started, open your web browser and go to Zapier. Zapier is the tool that acts as a bridge between Shopify and Leadpages, allowing both platforms to talk to each other without any coding. Log in to your Zapier account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you are inside the Zapier dashboard, click on Create Zap. Now you'll choose a trigger app. Select Leadpages as the trigger and pick an event such as new form submission. This means the automation will start whenever someone fills out a form on your Leadpages landing page. You'll be asked to connect your Leadpages account so Zapier can access your forms. After the trigger is set, it's time to choose the action app. Select Shopify as the action. Depending on your goal, you can choose actions like creating a customer, creating an order, or adding data to Shopify. Log in to your Shopify account when prompted to authorize the connection. Zapier will then guide you through matching the Leadpages form fields to the correct Shopify fields. Follow the on-screen steps carefully and run a test to make sure everything is working correctly. Once the test is successful, turn your Zap on. That's it. You've successfully connected Shopify with Leadpages using Zapier. From now on, your data will move automatically between platforms, helping your business run more efficiently